I will show you how to crop an image on Mac. You don't need to use any third-party website or software to do this. You can just crop the image on the Mac itself. Open any image in the preview. By double clicking on image, you will see this like, and then click on this pencil icon. Then choose the frame type, like you want to crop in the square shape or elliptical shape. I will choose rectangle shape. Then after that I will just drag the portion of area that I want to use. Like I can do this. I want to use only this frame. So I will do Command C, Command N. In this way it will create a new image by using this frame. Now you can see it have created a new image. You can save this image as a new image. Save and write crop image. You can here choose the format of it, like PNG, TIFF, PDF, in which format you want to save this image. You can adjust the quality of image also, but this will be available only in JPEG. Now you have to save this image. I will open this image. You can see this image. It have created this image. In this way you can just crop the image on the Mac itself. I hope you find this video useful. Please like and share this video.